Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Smart English Talk. I'm Emma, your English coach and travel guide for today.
And I'm Jack. Hi, everyone. I've got my passport, my suitcase, and my nervous smile ready because we're going to the airport.
That's right. Today's topic is at the airport. We'll learn the most useful words, phrases, and dialogues you'll need when traveling abroad, from check-in to boarding your flight.
So, if you've ever wondered what to say at the airport, this episode is for you.
Exactly. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this podcast with your friends who love learning English.
All right, let's get ready for takeoff.
Scene 1. Arriving at the airport. So, Jack, imagine you're traveling to London. You arrive at the airport. What's the first thing you do?
I think I'd look for the check-in counter.
Perfect. Let's teach our listeners some keywords first. Vocabulary. At the airport. Check-in counter. Where you get your boarding pass. Boarding pass. The paper or digital ticket for your flight. Baggage or luggage. Your bags or suitcases. Departure gate. Where you wait before getting on the plane. Security check. Where officers check your bags and you walk through the scanner.
Right, and one more. Passport control, where officers check your passport before you go to the gate.
Exactly.
Scene 2. At the check-in counter.
All right, let's act it out. You're the passenger. I'm the airline staff. Ready?
Let's go.
Good morning. Where are you flying today?
Good morning. I'm flying to London.
May I see your passport, please?
Sure, here it is.
Thank you. Do you have any bags to check in?
Yes, one suitcase.
Great. Please place it on the scale.
Here you go.
Perfect. Here's your boarding pass. Your flight boards at gate 14 and departure is at 10:45.
Thank you very much.
See? That's a simple and polite check-in conversation. May I see your passport, please? Do you have any luggage to check in? Here's your boarding pass. Your flight departs from gate 14.
And if you're the passenger, you can say, I have one bag. Can I have a window seat, please? What time does the flight board?
Excellent. These phrases will make you sound confident and polite at any airport.
Scene 3. Security and passport control. Now I've got my boarding pass. What's next?
Security check. You'll hear something like this. Officer, please place your laptop and phone in the tray. Remove any metal items. Step through the scanner, please.
Yes, I always feel nervous, even when I've done nothing wrong.
Everyone feels that way. But just stay calm. Smile and follow instructions.
Then comes passport control, right?
Yes. The officer might say, where are you traveling to? How long will you stay? What's the purpose of your visit?
And I can answer, I'm traveling to London. I'll stay for 2 weeks. I'm here on holiday.
Perfect answers. All right, quick quiz time. I'll say a situation, and you say what you'd say in English. You're at check-in. The staff says, do you have any luggage? What do you reply?
I have one suitcase.
Correct. Next one. You're at passport control, and the officer asks, what's the purpose of your visit?
I'm here on business.
Waiting at the gate. Now that we're through security, it's time to relax before boarding.
I usually buy a coffee and check my flight information on the screen.
Yes, you might hear airport announcements like, Flight BA204 to London is now boarding at gate 14. Passengers for flight QR452, please proceed to gate 5. This is the final call for passengers on flight EK201.
So now boarding means it's time to get on the plane, right?
Exactly. And final call means hurry up. It's your last chance to board. Let's do a short conversation at the gate.
Okay.
Good afternoon. May I see your boarding pass and passport, please?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. You may board now. Your seat is 22A.
Thank you very much.
Brilliant. You're ready to fly. Let's review all the important words we learned today.
Check-in counter.
Boarding pass.
Security check.
Passport control.
Departure gate.
Baggage claim.
Customs officer.
Flight announcements.
And verbs we can use: to check in, to board, to depart, to arrive, to show, to scan.
Very good. So listeners, if you are enjoying and learning, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Smart English After Landing. Now, imagine we've arrived in London. What happens next?
We go through passport control again, then baggage claim to collect our luggage.
Exactly. You might hear an announcement like, baggage from flight BA204 is available at Carousel 5.
Carousel means the moving belt where bags come out, right?
Yes. Then, before leaving the airport, you go through customs. The officer may ask, do you have anything to declare?
And if you don't, you just say, no, nothing to declare.
Perfect.
All right, everyone, now it's your turn to practice. Repeat after us.
I'd like to check in for my flight to London. Can I have a window seat, please? Where is gate 10? Do I need to fill out this form?
Nice work. You're speaking like a real traveler now.
When you speak at the airport, notice how we often use polite questions with can, could, and would. Can I have a window seat? Could you tell me where gate 10 is? Would you like me to put my bag here?
Yes, it makes your English sound polite and professional.
We learned key airport vocabulary, real conversations at check-in and boarding, how to answer common questions from staff, polite phrases for travelers.
And we practiced how to stay calm and confident in a real airport situation.
That's right. Whether you're traveling for fun, study, or work, now you can do it in English.
Thank you for flying with Smart English Talk Airlines today.
We hope you enjoyed your flight and your English practice.
If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this episode with your friends and family.
And in the comments, tell us, where would you like to travel next?
We'd love to know. Until next time, stay confident, keep practicing, and safe travels.
Bye, everyone.